What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am in the Dollar Tree Family Dollar combo store, and one thing I love about the combo stores is that they have lots of clothing items, and I'm seeing lots of new tees and lots of new lounge pants and things for fall. So I just wanted to show you guys some of the new items, and everything in here is super affordable. These new Looney Tunes shirts are $9. We have little camis for just $4 and $3. I really just want to point out a lot of the new items that I'm seeing. Grateful, Thankful, Blessed for $9. This is like a really pretty earthy color. I'm seeing in some of the plus size shirts that we have this little elastic down the side, so you could do a little adjusting and rouging if you like. And most of these are just $7. The 90s generation, $9 shirts in burgundy. Boys in the Hood for $9. Barbie. Aw, she's pretty. $9 for Barbie. Aaliyah. $9. Yes, we have a lot of 90s shirts. Whitney. Aw, Whitney Houston. $9. I used to love Aaliyah. Aaliyah and Whitney Houston. Unapologetically Black. Sorry, not sorry. I think this is a new one, you guys. That's all, folks. A little sweatshirt for $15. Let's look at some of these lounge pants. These are the cotton ones for $10. Stitch, we have Mickey, we have Winnie the Pooh, and we do have plus sizes up to 3X. We have SpongeBob. Kind of a stretchy, soft material for $10. Ooh, a really pretty Mickey Mouse. A fleecy Stitch. Brand new Minions for $10. These are all $12.50 up through sizes 3X. I think we also have some new leggings. I believe these are new, up through sizes 3X for $12. We have 2 packs of super soft leggings, black and gray, and black and like a khaki. And then we have even more over here. Ooh, I like this blue one. We have a blue and we have a gray. Those are $10 each. These are $10 each, but plus sizes are $12, I believe. These are so cute, you guys. They're calling these the Youth Girl Slumber Party sets, and they're really cute. They're $7 each. We have some scrunchies, some socks, and a little eye mask or eye pillow, and then the cute little bag. And then we also have this variety with the cat. Let's pull this down and see if we have any others. Okay, we have the unicorn too. This one is so pretty. And this one's like a little mini backpack. Yeah, those are really cute. It looks like we have some new faux leather pants for $12. They're all sticking together. If you like this look, or if you want this look for Halloween, they are here, $12. Let's see if I can put these back up. We also have some mini backpacks for $10. Black. We have this sort of peach, a different black with the little tag on it. This one's a leather. We have the little brown faux leather. Then we have some kids' smaller backpacks over here too. Oh, that one is so cute and glittery. Hats. The hats are $5. The wallets, the trifold wallets, $5 each. Behind me we have the little slipper socks. These feel really heavy and nice, you guys, and these are licensed. Men's sizes 6 to 12, the crew socks. These are just $5. These are new too. Men's medium, large, and extra large. One boxer brief for $5. We have Justice League. We have Rick and Morty. Nice little giftable items if you're already Christmas shopping. This one was Space Jam. And then we have SpongeBob with Patrick and SpongeBob on it. Little sizing on the back. More leggings. And these are 2 packs of leggings. 2 packs for $10. Lots of the RBX socks. These are $9 for 6 pair. The brand Avalanche outdoor socks, and these are super heavy and nice. 6 pair for $7. They have lots of socks, underwear, tank tops, t-shirts, sleepwear, a lot of the basics. They even have bras here. Brands like Extremely Me, Just Be. We also have license like Nick Jr., Pro Player, Gildan, Hanes. What else? I don't think we have any Fruit of the Loom here. Even more clearance too, you guys. Clearance leggings, shorts, sleep shirts, marked $5. T-shirts, swimming trunks, lots of stuff, you guys. And then we have tons of summer items too. Definitely have these scanned. I know we had a nice sale on some of these summer items, and I don't know where they stand right now. I know at one point we had, I think buy one. I don't remember, you guys, on the towels. It was like buy 2 for $8 or buy one get one free. I'm not sure, but something about the towels. They had a sale on the towels, and I don't remember what it was. I don't see that it's marked that way anymore, but definitely have some of these items checked if you're curious. This bandana is so cute. I love the colors. Look at these cases. I got some of these in Dollar Tree Plus, and I really, really like them. But in addition to clear, they have pink here. Now the tag is a little bit different, and I feel like the ones from Dollar Tree Plus might be a tiny bit bigger. I don't know. They might be exactly the same. Let's see. Oh yeah, the pieces slide out the same. They might be the exact same ones in Dollar Tree Plus. So if you have like a big washi collection or some craft items that you want to organize like I do for my Thursday night auctions, definitely consider getting those. I think they're really good. I was pleasantly surprised. But all right, you guys, that's it for me here in the Dollar Tree Family Dollar location. I hope you guys had fun shopping with me. If you did, please consider subscribing. If you're not subscribed yet, I'd love for you to join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. All right, you guys, well, I'm out of here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.